This is a 2007 Acura TSX. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a passenger side airbag, a pass-through rear seat, tinted glass, rear impact crumple zones, an electronic throttle, and this vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 7 convenient locations, 13 different manufacturers, over 3,500 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.
The only name you need to know.